Welcome to the TakeMeFishing.org video series. We will be showing you the essentials and fundamentals of an activity that provides relaxation and enjoyment for outdoor enthusiasts, families, kids, and you. Ladies and gentlemen, introducing The Art of Fly Fishing, in which our presentation is all about your presentation. How will you impress and attract those lovely trout or bluegills or smallmouth bass? Easy. It just takes a little finesse and a certain sensitivity to your technique. Here are 7 tips for going fly fishing. Number 1, easy fly casting. Here's the best way to master the art. Backcast. You'll start with your rod tip close to the water. Then you'll move the rod backwards using a slow, then medium, then fast speed. When the rod tip goes past your shoulder, just pause and let the line straighten out. Forward cast. When you feel a tug, move the rod forward with the same slow, then medium, then fast approach. When the rod is at your eye level, your cast is complete. Presentation. Now just let your line unfold and drift your rod tip towards the water. Number 2, the wading. How to do it the right way. You'll need to move cautiously, close to the bank, without stirring up any sand or gravel underfoot. No need to disturb or alarm any of the feeding fish nearby. Number 3, selecting the right fly. Keep it light and natural. Take a look around and see the insects in the water where you are fishing. The size, color, and silhouette of these bugs are the ones you want to match as closely as possible. Number 4, short lines catch more fish. Too much line is a drag. You may have seen demonstrations of long, graceful casts by fly fishing experts, but beginners will do better with shorter lines. A shorter line helps your presentation and allows you to catch more fish. Number 5, fish faster water. Go for it. Trout especially will tend to bite impulsively in fast-moving water, rather than letting the fly drift away. Water with riffles and runs will give any beginner more action and a bit of an edge. Number 6, panfish await you. A few delicious possibilities. While you're honing your fly fishing skills, you may discover that bluefish and smaller sized bass are fun to catch on a fly rod. They're easier to catch than trout and great for dinner. Number 7, experience counts. Use what you have. Other styles of fishing that you've tried will also apply to fly fishing. Reading the water and dead drifting live bait, for example, are useful approaches here as well. Like anything, practice makes perfect, and you actually can practice your technique at home in your own backyard, getting the feel of it just right. Just remember, your artful presentation, fishing on the water, will lead to your delicious presentation of fresh fish on your table, as well as helping you catch amazing memories with family and friends. To learn more about where to fish and boat in your state, go to TakeMeFishing.org.